What's up, guys? We're here at the Yinzer house, and earlier today Mike and the oldest Yinzer kid went out yard sailing, and I'm going to be behind the camera today showing you what Yinzer found.
Okay guys, so like as Yinzer mom said, we went to 3 yard sales today. It was a little bit, it probably should have been a little bit more, but the one community sale that were supposed to be houses, there was zero. So we had one more to go to, but we found 2 on the way, and let me tell you, I think we did really well for what we spent. So we're going to show you everything we found to 3 yard sales instead of doing 3 different videos. I almost got stung by a bee, but first thing we found, brand new webcam. It's a quick cam 8.2 or something like that, but it's brand new. We picked it up, as you can see, for a whole $1. So that one's gonna do pretty good. As you can see, $1. And she hates me saying that. Next thing we picked up was this pair of Logitech speakers. It says it's brand new. Actually, it's still sealed. $5. These do pretty well, probably about $20. Thought about using them. I love finding these, and yeah, I love finding these. This was a good pickup, $3. If you ever see these White House ornaments, pick them up. They're from the Historical Association. You can go on their website, buy these. This was from 2009. It's a cool ornament.
Oh, that is cool.
We also found, if you ever see the JFK one, the JFK one sells really well. So pick that up for $3. That should probably be an easy $10.
I want to show them this.
As you can tell, it's a little windy. I'm not doing it on purpose now. But hopefully you can hear us. Steeler sweatshirt, it's a medium. Yinzer mom's gonna take it. $1. Really good pickup for $1.
Next thing they found was this thing. I don't know what it is.
A portable color TV.
Whoa.
What?
What's that?
How old is this thing? I've never even heard.
It's old.
A portable color TV. Is there a
Sells for
date?
about $10. You don't need to open it.
Oh, I was seeing what it was.
Sells for about $10. It is from
It's
I'm not sure.
82.
No.
Got the seat
No.
out.
So it's about $10. I'm gonna do some of these video games, but I'm gonna save the other video game lot for a second. But we picked up the Hook Sega Game Gear game for $1. Picked up Lion King Sega Game Gear for $1. And then we also picked up Mario and Sonic at the Olympic Games from Nintendo DS for a whole $1. This lady was moving and she wanted to get rid of it all. So as you can tell by the thumbnail, I'm doing it again. I don't even care at this point. She had a Nintendo Wii with the bar, 4 controllers, 2 nunchucks, a Wii, then also some games, Wii Sports, which sells, which I didn't even notice there. Mario Land Shake It, Monopoly, Wii Carnival games, Family Game Night. She had $30 on it. But it said make me an offer. Wow, you can't tell Yinzer to make an offer and not make an offer. So I said, how about $20? She took it. But the funny part was the sale wasn't supposed to start till 9. It was 8:30 when we got there. So this would have been gone along with the other 2 games probably by 9 o'clock. So we picked that up. I might bundle this all up together. I'm not sure what it'll sell for, $100 or so, I think. Should be pretty good. Well, since this was sitting here, Yinzer mom thought I bought a bicycle seat, but it's not even a bicycle seat.
It's a conference phone.
That's a conference phone. This was a church sale in town where we went to a harvest festival. I think it's a brand new VCR. Oh, with the remote, which I didn't even know this was in there. Oh, maybe the remote might be used. But it's a brand new VCR. This could be like $50 to $100. I asked them how much. They said $4. Good little pickup. As Yinzer mom said, the biggest Yinzer went with me. She found this pair of Sperry's pretty good shape.
Sperry.
The little Yinzer.
Or Sperry, whatever.
Not
She
Speary.
picked these up. Well, it's kind of Sperry.
Sperry.
I don't know about
If there were
that.
two E's, it'd be Speary.
Oh, okay. Well, tomato, where it's all. But the Yinzer picked these up. She paid, I think, $1 for these.
No. Oh yeah.
Maybe $1 for these. So they're gonna go on Poshmark hopefully today once Yinzer Mom does that. Also at that moving sale, got a DeWalt bag, $2. Really good shape. I'm not sure how much it'll sell for, but these DeWalt duffel bags, I like them. I use them. I have one downstairs. It's a little bit bigger than this. Maybe even I'll actually keep it. I'm not sure yet. But for $2, I figured it was worth the chance to get it.
Oh, this was good.
This sale was also a little bit weird too because I think the husband was a little stoned. And my daughter noticed that because it's pretty much all you could smell. So maybe that's why the deals were great. But hey,
Good for him.
yeah, good for him and good for us because look at these deals we got today. I'm gonna save the good stuff for last because
Because I don't know what to
this
pull out here.
I didn't even look up comps. It's a Kodak Easy Share printer. It has the printer in it. Printer, some photo paper, and everything. Actually, there's a ton of photo paper.
Well,
Everything's
that alone sells, doesn't it?
It does sometimes. I've had trouble with some photo paper.
Okay.
She gave it to me for $5. I figured it was worth the hassle. If not, and it goes in the garbage, it's $5. I'd take a risk on it. She was super cool with this house too. You guys know we love Disney, and I saw this sitting here. Disregard the whole $10 because
Then do this.
I'm gonna get to that. No, leave that there. I'm doing all that last. This was it's a nice metal Disney license plate frame. Where dreams come true. Super nice. Even still has the original price tag on it for $22.99.
Oh, I love this.
So I threw that in here, and I'll tell you how much we paid for this and some of the other items combined. Because she gave me a blowout deal. Blowout. So good that I told the kid get in the car before she came back after us to get more money. So next up, I'm not sure 100% sure what this is. When I scanned it, it sells.
It's steam cleaning system.
Yeah, but it's like a pet one. It's H2O Steam FX Pro. Brand new. Still sealed. She wanted... Where's the price tag?
20.
20 bones. She got 20 bones for it, but... but these things sell. I'm talking maybe
There's
100.
Something on the ground. Is that a moth?
Oh, that's one of those...
Oh, that's a lantern fly. It's dead, thankfully. I heard these were here in Baden.
I
Good
saw
find.
it just hopping.
Yep.
That's a spotter lanternfly. Look at this, guys. We got this on camera. It's a spotter lanternfly.
These things are very dangerous to the environment, and I've heard they're here in
Hold on,
our
we're gonna
town.
catch it.
It's
Don't we have to report it?
You could, but they've been reported in Baden already.
Okay, show me now, please. Can I hold the camera for a second? Mom, come here.
You don't need to catch it, Mike.
Huh?
You don't need to catch it.
I am gonna catch it.
What are you gonna do with it?
I might sell it on eBay.
Mike, oh my gosh. You're ridiculous. You did not need to catch it.
People
It was
are bu-
already dead. People aren't buying these.
People are buying locust shells.
No.
You're
a problem.
welcome. You're welcome, Dad.
Okay, back
We
to
already
this.
talked about
Back
that,
to our
didn't we?
regularly scheduled program after that spotter and lanternfly just showed up in our...
Where is it?
It's in my car. So,
Where?
oh, you could do a garment, upholstery, floor mop, hand service. I thought this was
It's
for...
a steamer.
I thought this was for a pet cleaner, though.
Well, I'm sure you could.
Because I swore there was a doll. See?
Yeah, it's
It
kid and
looks
pet
like it's on
safe.
top of
Oh, that's dumb.
It looks like it's
What?
on top of the bag.
So we got this for $20. I bet it's brand new. I'm thinking about $100 on this.
I wouldn't mind it. No, you can sell it. It's okay.
$100 is $100.
Yep. I'm not gonna really clean.
It looks like it's on
Let's
top
be
of
honest.
Okay. Okay, guys, you know I love it. I've sold one recently, and I tell you guys to pick them up all the time. This picked up another thermostat. $30. I scanned it. She said it's brand new. I kind of think it might be actually. I think it is brand new. Where's the?
It's you.
Bless you.
Oh, I feel like it's missing something.
Well, it's in there.
Okay. I'm gonna have to look. I think this is brand new. If it was brand new, if it's brand new, we could be looking. I mean, I saw brand new ones going for 300.
Sorry.
I saw brand new ones going for $350. The used ones and stuff like that, I'm gonna say a minimum for this of 150 bucks. I'm gonna list it tonight. This is getting listed tonight. Part of me feel like it's missing something though. All of a sudden. Maybe not. Maybe not. Kit includes 3 different things, so we'll have to see. I'm gonna have to look, because now I'm kind of worried. I shouldn't be worried, but I think it's all here. I hope. So I'm saying between 150 to 300 bucks for this, and it'll be listed tonight. Okay guys, last and final things we found today. We found 8 Starbucks cups. I don't know what she's doing, but that's okay. So here you can see the prices on it. 5, 5, 10, 10, 5, 10, 5, 750. We also picked up, this is where we also picked up the license plate frame and the ornament. So I said, can we work out a deal if I got a bunch of stuff? She said, yeah. So we got all this and I'm adding it up, and I said, how much? I said, okay, so I'm not sure where we're at. She goes, give me 20 bucks for everything. Here you go. I'm in the car as fast as I could. You want to show them some?
Set the box down next to her and let her show
Okay.
some.
So here's the first one, which is cool.
What's it say, babe?
I live in
Fantasyland.
Fantasyland.
It's a nice Disney one. Doesn't even have a price. It still has the Disney Parks thing on it. Yeah. It still has the Disney Park sticker on it. The next one. It's just a plain
rose gold.
Yeah, rose gold. Still has the price tag on it, $22.95. Move your finger. Still has the price tag, $22.95.
This one.
Go ahead, show that one. Next one is
We
this.
have another Starbucks.
That's
Are these all
beautiful.
Starbucks ones?
Yes.
Beautiful.
There's like flowers on it.
There's no price tag though.
Yes, there is.
Not that price tag, babe.
Here's this one with a price tag. That's only $19.95. I think that most of them have been
Beautiful
used
color.
though.
This one.
This is a nice black Starbucks one. This might be my favorite one of them all. It's the big venti one. Disney Parks sticker on the bottom still. But this one is the castle. Dumbo.
No, it's all the
Yeah, it's
parks.
all of them. The Hollywood Tower of Terror.
On the next, we have this sparkly one.
Love that
I
one.
think it's huge.
It kind of hurts your hand.
I know. It's kind of even okay. $18.95. But some of these also might be. Trying to think of the word to use here. Trying to think of the word to use here.
What?
Like retired. You might not be able to find
discontinued?
discontinued, retired, same thing. That's
glass.
yeah,
Be
that's.
careful.
And the last and final one that was in here was this one. Glass. It's a glass one. Yeah, it's like a mason jar almost. Real thick, 16-ounce cup. So I was super, I mean, we always look for Starbucks mugs, and we came across these ones. This was just, I couldn't believe it.
Hey, Yinzer kid, if you could pick any one of these to keep, which would you pick?
Can I pick two?
No, you have to pick your favorite. We're not going to keep any, but
Really much.
the I Live in Fantasyland.
Yeah.
I'm
Yeah.
probably selling it though.
Yeah.
Hey,
Just curious about your
I
favorite.
can put my name.
My favorite by far is this one.
Yeah, that's a nice
Look,
one.
I kind of like
This is my favorite.
And I know the other Yinzer kid, I know this is her favorite.
So I love, because she loves to. I love this because, look,
Oh, you like the... That is cool.
It's satisfying.
That is satisfying.
that's all.
So that's what we found today. Good haul. Really super, super good haul. I think we're going to make a ton of money. I think we spent around 50, probably right around 50, 70, maybe right around 100 bucks, I think. I think it was about 100 bucks. And I mean, alone, I think the thermostat's going to cover that, or the steamer, or who knows what else.
You might have, yeah, I'd say good
I mean,
450, 500 in profit.
yeah, easily. We're probably going to at least
What's this?
make 5 times our money, I'm thinking. Something like that. So Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Remember, like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification.
I wanna
Comment
say-
below what your favorite item that we found in this video is, because we want to know. And also, if you like Starbucks mugs, let us know let us know your favorite Starbucks mug also. So
Show them one more time.
remember, guys, bell notification, share, like, subscribe, and also tune into our lives Mondays and Saturdays. And we're going to let this one finish the video.
Stay kind, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep picking. Bye.